What's up, YouTube? This is everything we sold the last couple days. My name is Larry. I've been a full-time reseller on eBay since 1997. We sell a variety of things: autographs, snapback hats, vintage t-shirts, video games, pretty much anything we can find to make $1 on, we're going to buy it. And we show you what to buy. That way you know exactly what stuff goes for. If you see something at the thrift store, you see something at the video store or whatever, and you think, oh wow, I just saw a DVD sell for 50 bucks, you'll know. Alright guys, let's see what we sold. Bunny Hopwell's First Spring. I found like 100 and some of these at a thrift store. And they were on like, I had 25% off coupon. They were 50 cents a piece, so I got them for 35 cents a piece. I sold a ton of these things, man. I sold a bunch of them in lots too. I sold them for like $2 a piece, like 100 of them for like 200 bucks. I made a killing off these things. And some of them I did individually, like this one. We sold this one for $8.99, but some of them we got like $15, $20 for. We made a ton of money on this. I never thought I would, but after I bought them, I was like, man, I shouldn't have bought these because they weren't really going that high. But like I said, when you think about it, I bought like 100 of these for like 35 bucks. I sold, you know, a bunch of them for $2 a piece in big lots. So did really well. Being Human Blu-ray we sold. It gets down here. We bought this at the Dollar Tree. And we got it for $1, yeah, because it's a BBC version. We bought it for $1. We sold it for $8.49. We sold a DVD called Nuts. Let's hope we can find it, man. We haven't had very good luck finding stuff. We didn't find those two things yesterday. We looked all day today and couldn't find them. But, we bought this at a pawn shop for $1, and we sold it for $19.99. Sold another Train to Busan. Man, I've sold. This is like the 8th one I've sold in 2 or 3 weeks. I buy these at the big lots for $3, and I sell them online for $14.99. That's pretty good money. Can't remember where this autograph is. I don't know if it's in here or in the female one. She'd be in the back. Had it in here. This might be in the other one. It's not in that one. It's definitely not in that one. That's the music. Got so many autograph photos here. It's not in the female book here. It's going to be in my sci-fi book. Don't know. It's not going to be in here. Well, let's hope it's in this book. If it's not, we can't find this either. Thinking it might be in here because the photos from the Road Warrior. And I kind of think that is a sci-fi like movie. The name starts with a V, so it should be here soon if we had it. And this isn't my day. All right, we found it. We were looking under the wrong name. I was getting mad, but this is from that Mel Gibson movie, Mad Max. Her name's Virginia Hay. She was also in Farscape. But we bought this for $2.99 and we sold it for $17.17 on a best offer. Cassette tape of Steel Heart. If you don't know who Steel Heart is, if you've ever seen the movie Rockstar, they're the ones that, the lead singer of this band is the one that does the vocals for Mark Wahlberg in that movie. But he's got a real high voice. But we bought this for $0.25 at a thrift store. And we sold it for $9.99. Sold, what is it called? Kronk's New Groove. It's still sealed. We bought this at a pawn shop for $1. And we sold it for $14.99. And we sold one called We Are Strangers. There we go. That's an oldie. Got Jennifer Jones, John Garfield. This was sealed. We bought this at a pawn shop for $1. We sold it for $8.99. sold a Rock Band 4 with the Rivals Pack, PS4. There it is. We bought this. At Peddler's Nut at the flea market, and I paid, I believe it was $3 for it, and we sold it for $48.99. Video games are where it's at right now. There's tons of video games that are doing really good. So keep an eye out for Rock Band 4 on PS4 or PlayStation 3 or no, Xbox One. They're doing really well. Came in early today, and this is my new flat layout I'm going to try. I went ahead and got a couple of these corkboard type things, foam boards, put them on there, and I'm doing flat layouts of clothes now, and then that way you can do the measurements on top. It seemed pretty good. I just did it. I usually use the hanging method, but we're going to try this out. But we're just trying out some things, see what's going to make things go faster. We sold a t-shirt, but I don't see that t-shirt in this box. So we're going to move this over a little bit. Oh, messing up my station there. Here's another box. I see some red in this box, so hopefully it's in here. Let's have all kinds of these destination t-shirts. I found 450 vintage t-shirts at a Goodwill one time. I sold my first t-shirt out of that lot for $350. I paid $150 for all 450 shirts, so I've already made a ton of money on that. I believe this is the Ralph Lauren t-shirt. It was a spell out, old vintage shirt. Nothing special, really. We paid $2 for it, and I think we sold it for $24.99. Sold a DVD called Last Command or Lost Command or something. There it is, Lost Command. It was used. It's got Anthony Quinn in it. It's an oldie. We paid $1 for it at a pawn shop, and we sold it for $14.99. Sold an Ernest T. Tubbs. It was easy. It was used. We paid 50 cents for this at Peddler's Junction because we would never buy Ernest Tubbs for more than 50 cents. It was the definitive collection, so that means it has all his hits on it and stuff. But we did sell this one used for $13.99, so it was definitely worth picking up for 50 cents. Eagle has landed. We just listed this one yesterday, I believe. We bought this at a pawn shop for $1. We sold it for $4.90 or $4.49 or $9.49. I can speak one of these days. $9.49. We sold a Metallica DVD. I can't remember what I put it under. It was a how to play guitar, like how to play their songs. This isn't too good here. There it is. Phase by Phase Metallica Guitar Method. Shows you how to play a bunch of their songs. We bought this at the thrift store for $1.49. I figured, these music DVDs usually do pretty well. And we sold this one for $13.99 and it was used. Sold a DVD called Time Machine. I think it's got Gerard Butler in it. There's Time Warp. We were close. There it is. Thing was hiding all the way in the back. This was sealed. We got it in a pawn shop for $1. We sold it for $8.99. Sold a Transformers PS4. We bought this at a, I got a few of those Rock Bands. I'm telling you, those Rock Bands do well. I priced mine up a little bit more, but I have 2 of them. And they'll sell before too long. But we just sold this. We bought this at a Family Video. It was going out of business. And we bought it for $9.99 there. Because we had sold one of these before already for like 50 bucks. Maybe even 60. But we sold this one for $59.99. And like I said, we have 10 bucks in it. So keep an eye out for this Transformers Rise of the Dark Spark. Sells great. All right, it's time to say goodbye to Nicholas Hammond. This was from the 80s Spider-Man TV show. He was over here on my celebrity wall. Oh, when I was doing the tour the other day, I didn't show you my Jim Duggan screen-used flag. This is a flag that we had in some of our backdrops in our movie. And he signed it for me. And I forgot to show that to you guys. But anyway, we sold this Nicholas Hammond. We paid $9.99 for it on eBay. We sold it for $59.99. I was going to keep it, but I've got so many photos and not enough room to put them up. So we're going to take that down and we're going to put Andy Serkis up. He was King Kong. So, cool. So, like I said, we have tons of great stuff to put up. So, if we sell something else, we'll put something else up. Alright guys, and that is what we sold. That was worth making a video for. The stuff we had before that, it wasn't that good. But hey, we had some $60 items here, so that was pretty good. It made our day. So hopefully you guys had a good day. We'll see you later, guys. Have a good one. Please like, subscribe, hit the all button so you can see all my videos. Peace!